Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you an awesome trick for getting some extra gains. So, after deadlifting, as you're stripping your bar, use the plates to do some kind of stretch. So each plate, just go down, you got a Cossack squat, you can go here, stretch out the hips for a second, go from side to side, just a couple each side, and then put the plate back. That's all you got to do. Another really nice one is plate squats. So hold your plate like this in front of you, set the shoulders, and just squat down, tap the fingers to the ground, back up again. Squat down, tap fingers to the ground, back up again. Really, really nice variation to do. So you can do 10 reps of that, then just put your plate back. I have been doing this for a few other plates as well, so quite tight. So as you're putting your bar back, whoop. And then a really nice finisher. It's just with your last plate. Just go here and tap the ground, feel the hamstrings, go up above the head, and then behind the head, up, around, tap the ground. It's just a really nice way to loosen everything up and to get some sneaky gains at the end of your session as you're cleaning up. Okay? You even have some overhead lunge walks in place it back as well. So yeah, some sneaky gains as you're cleaning up. Boom. How cool are my socks?